Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samiksha and in this video I will show you a short vlog of my work trip to Milan in Italy. तो मैंने ये vlog document किया था around एक साल पहले because it has been 1 year to this trip, but since this was there in my drafts मैंने सोचा finally upload कर देते हैं. I'll show you how I went from Munich to Milan. I'll just show you what all was the agenda of this trip. So this is me walking towards the entrance of the Munich airport. This is within the Munich airport. तो जो flight थी मेरी वो Lufthansa की थी and I was super excited. This was in the month of January, तो ठंड थी. And this is where you see Mailand, which is basically Milan in German. This is me again. I was super excited to take because this was one of my first longest trips. As you cross, you see these beautiful Alps from the top. You can see these snow-clad Alps. They look really surreal. I had to take a clip of this. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था. I also have zoomed it a little bit so that you can have a look. But this is so beautiful. Landed in Milan. तो यहाँ पे basically जो भी boards होते हैं वहाँ ऊपर directions होते हैं in English and in Italian, तो you can follow that. I took a cab and then reached the hotel. So I reached in the evening and I was basically going there for a set of trainings. This is then my room. I made a coffee for myself. यहाँ पे बहुत सुंदर से मेरा नाम भी लिखा हुआ है on the screen, and just a little clip of the hotel room. I quickly got ready because आज evening में एक dinner था with everybody who was with all the work colleagues who have come for the train place of dinner that we went. तो ये एक authentic Italian restaurant है. यहाँ पे you can see they have simulated fireplace. We had some wine. फिर बहुत अच्छा खाना था. Italian खाना really is amazing. This is little bit like shakshuka. Then this was this very nice pasta. And this is the next morning where it was early morning when we had to start the trainings, and I got ready quickly. Then I went for breakfast and then we started with the training day. So this is a clip of the meeting room. The training was super interesting, but it got over by around 5 or 6 o'clock. और हम सारे जो वर्क कलीग्स थे डिसाइड किया कि आज हम सिटी सेंटर जो है मिलान का वहाँ जाएंगे. Basically it's the central station of Milan, and here we have, this is really so beautiful inside as well. Architecture बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. We are basically going to the Milan Cathedral. This is the Milan Cathedral. It is also called as Duomo di Milano. So it is the third largest cathedral in the world and second largest cathedral in Europe. The first largest cathedral is actually in Cologne, Germany. This is again the part of the city center जहाँ पे सब top brands हैं. So you know that Milan is a top fashion capital of Italy. And yeah, here you could see like really fashionable people and बहुत अच्छा सबने ड्रेस किया हुआ था, and you could see all big brands like Chanel and Dior and you know all the top brands. So this is more like you see Gucci. So these are all the top brands in this particular area. This is more like the city center, and this is me taking a clip in front of this beautiful cathedral. This is how it looked. So with the lights on at night, it looked so pretty and it was pretty bustling. मतलब weekday था लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारे लोग थे city center में. This is me trying to show the cathedral from the architecture is really so beautiful. And you have all sorts of stores in and around. Inside the shopping area, this you see a dome like this, which is also really nice. Again, some really good big brands. Then we went to this restaurant for having our dinner. So Aperol is written everywhere, which is like an Italian drink. This is Aperol Spritz. Then we had some dinner quickly and came back to a hotel room. The next day was again a visit to a hospital. It was part of the training. And this is me going back to the airport now to take my flight back. These are some streets of Milan. Somewhat similar, but some really nice fancy buildings on the way. And the weather was like, I went in January, so ठंड थी. It was approximately 12 to 15 degrees, so not so cold. But yes, this is then the duty free shop. I grabbed something to eat because काफ़ी टाइम से कुछ खाया नहीं था. This was a quick lunch and then I took the flight back. I hope you enjoyed this short vlog. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.